सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Recently, on 31st of January, from a former military base in the US, Stardust 1.0 was launched. This launch makes it special as it is the first commercial space launch powered by biofuel. It is totally non-toxic for the environment as opposed to traditionally used rocket fuels. In today's edition of our DNS, we will be talking about Stardust 1.0 in detail. Stardust 1.0 is a launch vehicle. This rocket is 20 feet tall and roughly weighs 250 kgs. This rocket can carry a maximum payload of 8 kgs, and in its initial launch it carried 3 payloads. This rocket was launched recently from the Loring Commerce Center in Maine, US, which was also a former military base. Stardust 1.0 is suitable for students and budget payloads. The payloads in its initial launch included a CubeSat prototype built by high school students, a metal alloy designed to lessen vibrations, which is developed by Kellogg's Research Labs, and a CubeSat from software company Rocket Insights. Stardust 1.0 rocket has been manufactured by the company Blue Shift. It is an aerospace company that is based in Maine, US. The company is developing rockets that are powered by biofuel. The work of developing Stardust 1.0 was in process since 2014, from the time the company was formed by Sasha Dairy. Now let us know what will be the work of Stardust 1.0. Stardust 1.0 rockets will be of help in launching small satellites that are called as CubeSat. It will be in a way that will be a cheaper alternative to the traditional rocket fuel, and it is also less toxic for the environment. The company has also developed some other rockets which include Stardust Generation 2, Starless Rouge, and Red Dwarf, which is a low Earth orbit vehicle and is designed to fly a maximum payload of 30 kgs. Now let us know, are other companies also making efforts for easier access to the space or not? Yes, in order to make access to space easier, many companies are also trying and putting their efforts in developing easier and cheap alternatives. The companies are trying to come up with alternatives that can make access to space cost-effective for the purpose of academic research, corporate technology development, among the others. One of the companies in the list is called Blue Origin. This company is of Amazon's founder, Jeff Bezos' space company. Last year in October, the company tested a rocket system which was named as New Shepard. This rocket system is designed to take tourists to space eventually and offer flight to space over 100 kilometers above Earth and also accommodation for payloads. Another company founded by British entrepreneur Richard Branson called Virgin Galactic signed a Space Act agreement with NASA's Johnson Space Center in June 2020 to encourage commercial participation in orbital human space flight to the International Space Station and also help in the development of a low Earth orbit economy. Now lastly, let us know a few points about the biofuel. Biofuel are obtained from biomass and it can be converted directly into liquid fuels that can be used as transportation fuels. According to the US government's Office of Energy Efficiency and Renewable Energy, the two most common kinds of biofuel in use today are ethanol and biodiesel. They both represent the first generation of biofuel technology. Ethanol is renewable and is made from different kinds of plant material, whereas biodiesel is produced by combining alcohol with new and used vegetable oils, animal fats, or recycled cooking grease.